What's up, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in another video for the 07 F-150. So today we're talking about F-150s, Spartan Cree LEDs, pods that sit on, the hood. Basically, for this one, since I purchased it, I've only used it for 5 hours, really, in real time, and it's been past her 1-year warranty. So I decided to take it apart, figure out what's going on. I'm using my kid's lollipop to show exactly what's going on here. Simple fix, just got to get my soldering gun and solder that resistor right there. Looks like it's lifted, as you guys can tell, and easy fix. And then put it back together, clean the rubber seals all over, put it all together, and bada bing bada boom, done and over. So anyways, you guys have that same issue. Not hard. Why waste time when you can just fix it yourself, or have to purchase another one. So yeah, like I said, 5 hours, failure, and past the warranty. So here we are, and so just giving you guys a quick DIY of fixing dilemmas like just that little bit of resistor that's sitting there, and go from there. Alright guys, thanks for checking in. If you like what you see, subscribe, leave a comment, and talk to you guys later. Ciao.